I remember on the radio they were asking for blankets, people to bring blankets and pillows. Everybody was just horrified and shocked, and we had no TV, so you couldn't see gory pictures, but the radios were on constantly talking about it. A few months after the New London school explosion, I had it's pretty scary for me situation. Everybody was scared. I remember my mother was afraid too, and I certainly didn't know what was happening, except I had to go to the hospital. Never been to one before. I was scared to death. And I guess it was pretty bad appendix. And that, I don't remember much more about that day. I just remember being in the hospital a few days and being petted by the nuns. And I had never even seen a nun before. The doors on hospital rooms were those kind that they don't come clear to the floor, so you could see people's feet. And in those days, the nuns wore long habits, and before. And I'd watch that door to see if they were coming for me. And they were always kind and sweet to me. I don't think I wasn't in the hospital more than about 4 days. And then I felt very important because I'd been to the hospital. Well, I have been in Mother Francis a number of times, and in the last 2 years, I've been there twice for broken bones, and a lot of changes since 1937, But it was a good experience both times then, and I've had surgery there, and so that is. And my husband was a patient there many times, and we made more than one emergency room visit to Mother Francis through the years. This last time, when I broke my hip, I went in an ambulance, and you get a lot of attention if you come in an ambulance to the emergency room. Trinity Mother Francis has always, since early days, has been our preferred provider, as they say.